Welcome to this tutorial. You may be a tech specialist or somebody that specializes in tech, and at a point you want to change the display resolution of your PC that runs Windows 11 operating system, but you do not know how to go about it. So this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how you can do that. Okay, the first step is to click on the window logo icon, which is pinned at the taskbar by default. You can still call it a start button. So click on that, then click on settings. Okay, this will open the settings page of your computer that runs Windows 11 OS. Okay, from the settings page you navigate to the tab that will allow us to do that. Okay, now under displays, look at display, click on that option, then scroll down to this section that says display resolution. Click on this drop down and then select any display that suits what you want to do at that point in time. By default, this option is selected, but you can go with any other options here. Okay, so that is that how you can change the display of your computer that runs Windows 11 operating system. Okay, but nevertheless, let me still walk you through on another way you can do that. Another way you can change the display is by clicking on this search app pinned at the taskbar. Okay, in the search bar, type display. Okay, you can see display settings. Click on that for it to be taken directly to the display page. So on that display page, you can make the change you want. So here am I on the display page. Okay, you can click here, then select another display of your choice from the list. Okay, so these are just the few steps you need to take to change the display of your computer that runs Windows 11 operating system. I hope this video helps. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you. I'll see you next time.